Hello, lovely crabs. October 2024 has arrived. The stars are aligning just for you. Get ready for an exciting month. It's full of cosmic energy. This month, the universe whispers secrets. Listen closely. Embrace your intuition. You are about to embark on a journey of self-discovery. It will be amazing. As the leaves turn vibrant hues, so will your life. New opportunities await. Prepare to be surprised. October is your month to shine. Let's dive into your personalized horoscope. The month begins with a powerful new moon in Libra on October 5th. This new moon activates your sector of home and family. It brings a fresh start to your domestic life. You might feel drawn to redecorate, move, or simply spend more quality time with loved ones. On October 19th, a full moon in Aries illuminates your career zone. This is a time of culmination and recognition for your hard work. You might receive a promotion, land a new job, or finally achieve a long-term professional goal. Venus, the planet of love and beauty, graces your sign until October 23rd. This transit enhances your natural charm and magnetism. It's a wonderful time to socialize, connect with loved ones, and attract positive opportunities. Mars, the planet of action and energy, enters your sign on October 26th. This transit infuses you with motivation and drive. You'll feel ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Single Cancers, get ready for a whirlwind of romance. Venus in your sign makes you irresistible. You might meet someone special through friends, social events, or even online. Keep an open mind and heart. For those in relationships, this month is all about deepening your connection. Plan romantic dates, communicate openly, and show your partner how much you care. The full moon on October 19th could bring a significant turning point in your relationship. Remember, communication is key to a harmonious relationship. Don't be afraid to express your feelings and listen to your partner's needs. Trust your intuition and let love guide you. Section 4. Career and Finances. Harvesting the Seeds of Success. October is a month of abundance and prosperity for you, dear Cancer. The full moon on October 19th shines brightly on your career sector. This brings opportunities for growth, recognition, and financial rewards. Your hard work and dedication have not gone unnoticed. Trust in your abilities and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. This is a favorable time to negotiate a raise, apply for a promotion, or start your own business. Financially, this month is looking positive. You might receive unexpected income or find creative ways to increase your earnings. However, be mindful of overspending. It's best to save and invest wisely. Section 5. Join our cosmic community. Do you crave more celestial insights? Eager to connect with fellow astrology enthusiasts? Then join our vibrant community. We have so much to offer. Dive into our forum discussions. Share your thoughts and experiences. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for the cosmos. Section 6. Lucky Days. Embrace the universe's gifts. The universe has some extra blessings in store for you this month. Mark your calendars for these lucky days. October 7th, a day for new beginnings and fresh starts. Trust your intuition and take a leap of faith. October 14th, love is in the air. Plan a romantic date or spend quality time with your loved ones. October 22nd, your creativity soars. Engage in activities that inspire you. October 28th, a day for financial abundance. You might receive unexpected income or make a profitable investment. Remember, these are just a few highlights. The universe works in mysterious ways. Stay open to unexpected opportunities and blessings throughout the month. Section 7. Stay connected. Your journey to the stars continues. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure, dear Cancer. We hope this horoscope has provided you with valuable insights and guidance for the month ahead. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel for more astrological updates. Hit the notification bell to stay notified whenever we post a new video. Until next time, may the stars align in your favor.